I'm at the bus stop playing with sounds for the second part of Honey Gold Packet. On the bus is passing right by now. I just picked up bus sounds. Riding the SUV, and then on the bus in the SUV, riding the train, and I just started coming up with sounds. Choo choo. Choo choo. Choo choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo choo. Choo choo. Other sounds I might hear at the railway. Maybe chains. Right in there. Train. That's the sound of the man working on the chain. Train. Train. I could have a whole song just about the train. I have thought to do one about the train, but that could be a song just by itself. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just playing with sounds while I'm here listening to folks drive by. I just thought that was kind of neat. Choo choo.